Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will in the previous video I will show your UI of JavaScript using JavaScript, and in this video I will tell about how to give the structure of UI and how to give the style of UI. So let's go. And this is my code. You have know that this is a boilerplate, and I give the title of my project quiz app, and then we link the CSS, and we close the head tag, and in the body section I will take a div and give the class container, and then we make a start page, and again we take a small div and give the ID start page and class page, and then we give heading welcome to the quiz, and then we use paragraph test your knowledge, and then we take a button and give the class btn, and we applied a function start quiz, and then we click, we add event listener, and then we start quiz, and then we close the div. in this quiz page I will take a div and give the id quiz page and class page and give the style none, and then we take a second div, we give the class progress, and then we take a second div name class progress bar and give the id progress bar, and then we take a p tag and give the class question count, and give also the id question count, and then we use heading and give the id questions, and again we take div and we use give the id answers, and then we take a event listener, and first of all we take a button tag and give the class btn and give the id next btn, we click the next button, we go for a next question, and then we add the event listener one click and give the style display none, and this btn will write next, and give the result page I give the div and again take a div and give the id result page and class also page and give the style display none, and then take a quiz complete, give the heading quiz complete, and we take div for result page class score box, and you take a p tag and give the your score and give the span id final score, and we take a in span tag and id total questions, and then we take 10, it is not 10, it is 4, sorry for the disturbance, and then we give percentage, and then we select, and then we in the p tag I will take a span tag and give the id percentage, and we give the p tag and give the id feedback, and then we close the div, then we take a button tag and give the class btn, and then we again we take a add a event listener, and we name quiz start quiz, and take a div, and then we close all the divs, and then we close the main div. And about the body, after we link the javascript, the name script, the file name was app.js, and then we close body tag and HTML, and then the HTML tag structure is ready for my UI. And then we understand about style.css. Okay, and first of all we take a universal selector and give the margin 0 and padding also 0, and give the box sizing border box, and then we close the universal selector, and then we select a body tag, and we give the font family Arial sans serif, and then we add a background linear gradient, and give the min height 100 ph, give the also display flex. We add the display flex, justify content center, and alight item center, and then we give the padding also on the body. Then we select container and give the height 100% and max width also 600 pixels, and then we select a page and background color also white, border radius 10 pixels, and padding for 40 pixels, and box size and border box is 5 pixels, and text line center. And then we select a H1 for color this H code, and then we give the margin bottom 20 pixel margin from the bottom, and the also font size 2 rem, and then we select S2 tag, the color this same also, and give the margin 30 pixel 0 pixel 20 pixel and 0 pixel, and give the font size 1.3 rem, and then we give pit color pit, also select the piece tag, and then we color this, and margin tag margin from the bottom is 10 pixel. Then we select font size 10 pixels, and then we select a question count, and then we give the color and give the also font size, where we select a then we select a class btn, background color also purple, and color is white, padding is none, and border radius 5 pixel, and cursor pointer is this, and these are the css. And then we select a progress bar, we give and width is 100 pixels, and height is 8 pixels, background color is this, and border radius 5 pixels, margin bottom also 20 pixel, and give the overflow hidden, that's why not scrolling, it is fixed. And then we select progress bar and give the height 100% and background color is, and then we give width, and also add the transition width 0.3 seconds, and give the style about answer buttons. Then we click answers, display flex, and flex text and column, and we give gap 10 pixels from all sides, and give the margin right to left, and then we select answer buttons, background color this, and border padding also these styles are added, and we add a button hover. If we click Oh, so hovering the buttons that I will see. Okay, just a minute. Just a minute. I will see. Okay. This is the UI that I have explained. If we hover, the answer button outline is blue, and this is the hover. So and border selector, border color is blue, and answer button selected, background color is blue, and color is white, and border color is blue, and answer button give the color green and color white, border color also green. And then we select a incorrect button, the background will be red and color will be white and border color is red also. I will show you. If we select incorrect answer, the answer is Paris, but I will select Berlin, so the option is Berlin. The background color is red and the border is red and the text is white. Okay, so we cursor not allowed, select answer button displayed disabled, and then we score box background color and padding, give the padding border radius, and then we give margin, and these are the style we have. Feedback, margin top 20 pixels, font size and color and font size. If we the progress, this is a progress bar. If we select, progress will filled, and then we select the right button, the answer will be in blue, background will be green and border will be green and text also white. This, yeah, and that's all. This is my CSS code. I made fully responsive, that the website is responsive, and the padding is 20 pixel, and give the max width 50 pixels, and give the heading font weight size 1.5 gram, and give the heading font size 1.1 gram. That's all my CSS code. I will show you my UI. Okay, this is my UI. Okay, this is the right answer, and this is the restart is. Click the restart button, then we welcome to the quiz. We back to the start page. I will see you. That is my first page is. If we click start quiz button, the questions are there, and answer is Paris and javascript, and it's the clean city. The answer is Indore, and the quiz was ended, and the scores are there. 4 out of 4 and 100 out of perfect score. That's all my UI and this is the HTML and CSS. Thank you guys. If you like this video, please subscribe.